My name is Kothney-Issa
And I'm Marek, and we are in Jacksonville, Florida at an RV park.
and this is our fun-sized home.
Come on in, I'll show you the inside. So this is the inside of the house. This is our living space. It was really important for us to have a full couch, a very comfortable space, a very relaxing space. We also did some upper storage here just for hand clothes. The big window on the back wall behind the couch and the big window on the door, we knew it would be important to bring in a lot of light. And I knew that this wall space had to be reserved for my 55-inch TV. This was a big part of what we wanted to do, and part of our design is that I wanted to keep the TV, I wanted to keep a really comfortable living area. My wife and I kind of work on opposite schedules, so a lot of times this is kind of my hangout spot. She may already be asleep when I get home or whatever the case may be, so that was really important for us. And Cornerstone took very good care of us. They even threw in the barn door for us as part of our package to match our countertop. We love this space very much. So we have a stacked unit here. It's a Whirlpool washer and dryer, so I can do it separately, do one load of wash, one load of dry at the same time. This is the closet. This was originally going to be my wife's closet, and I was going to use the one up above, but then I realized I couldn't quite reach that high. So what we did was we split them half and half, and we do the stuff that we wear pretty regularly here in the closet, and then the stuff not so often we put up in the top storage loft. We have a standard flush toilet and a vessel style sink. We still got to put our vanity up. We haven't taken care of that part yet. I'm just kind of finishing some things off. We added some hooks for our towels and whatnot. And we have a 36 by 36 fiberglass shower, and also some additional storage space here to the side for towels and linens and toilet paper and all of those things that you need in the bathroom. We also had them put in an additional vent fan. They normally just do one vent fan per bathroom. But when my wife washes her hair, it's a really long process, and it takes a really long time, and the bathroom gets really steamy. We've always heard from other people that moisture can be a real issue in a tiny house, so we wanted to make sure that, you know, we were good and we weren't going to have any problems. So this is our sleeping loft up top. We put a king size mattress up there. It actually does fit. It was very difficult to get up there, but we did get it up there, and now it fits. Have plenty of space. We really wanted the space to be very cozy, and we wanted to kind of have what we had before, so we decided to go with that. Height for sitting up in bed for my wife, I'm kind of have to duck a little bit, but it's kind of what it is with the sleeping loft like that. And then the way to access the loft, this ladder right here over there on the wall, we have it designed with notches to sit here on this black pipe rail, and then it also has notches to hang there for flat storage, so it's out of the way when you're not using it. And then coming this way, we're coming into the kitchen. It's really important for my wife. She really wanted a nice size kitchen. I mean, this kitchen is literally the exact same size, counter space wise, depth wise, you know, galley style like this as what we had in our 1,100 square foot loft before. We didn't even really have to get rid of very much. We did just to open up space for other things, but we have a 9-inch deep stainless steel sink. We also went with the stainless steel microwave and other appliances as well, an oven here and a 4-burner cooktop. We also went with the burned wood countertops. We really liked the design, and we also liked the cost of it. It really kept the cost down for us. Budget was a big part for us. And then we went with the open shelving for the uppers. It also helped us stay within budget, and we really liked the idea of having it open just so that the space felt larger. We didn't know if having, you know, regular upper cabinets would make it feel really tight and enclosed, so we decided to go with these instead. The height of the kitchen was very important for us. We had this designed to be tall enough for me to walk under it. I'm 6'5", so I definitely did not want to duck in the kitchen. Now, I probably can't jump in the kitchen either, but I definitely don't have to duck, and I feel comfortable walking in here without having to kind of compensate for a lower ceiling height.
Hey guys, guys, Alexis and Christian here with Tiny House Expedition.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And click left or right for more tiny house stories and tours.